This shop I know owner really well, yeah. We don't scare owner kill us, yeah. เอพาสบายดี Okay, first I would like to let you know all vegetable on the table. You know vegetable on the table, some vegetable from the forest, some vegetable from the garden, and some vegetable from the farm, and vegetable from the farm. You know vegetable really strong flavor. We put in the Luang stew. You know, have you eaten before the Luang stew? Or lamb? Oh yeah. Stew. No, it's the hard hoon. Yanang. The Kalanka same family ginger. But you know Kalanka is not too spicy. We put it in tom yum soup. Today we have fried chop. Thin slice, put in your buffalo salad today. We put in the salad today. Put it beside the leaf. Beside it like a saw. We have the fried chop, put in the salad today. Yeah. Pea eggplant. Pea eggplant. They put in the green curry. The black mushroom. The black mushroom put in some people call monkey ear mushroom. Yeah. Fermented fish. Have you eaten before?
No. Probably, yeah. Probably. I think it's kind of everywhere.
You know how they make it? How they make it? They bring the fresh fish, and then sometimes they leave the head inside. Sometimes they cut the head off, and they remove the scales. They put the salt. They put the salt and husk all the sticky rice. You see the brown color? The brown color from the husk. The husk of sticky rice. You know, husk.
Yep.
The skin of the rice. This is a really small one. And like this, yeah. Okay, 5,000 kip for one.
5,000.
Yeah, 5,000 kip.
Oh, 5,000.
5,000 kip. You want to buy some? Okay.
We want one. The 5,000.
5,000. Yeah, 5,000 kip. It's a local one. Okay, 5,000 kip.
Yeah.
I buy some for your lunch. Yeah.
Is there anything that makes your stomach sick?
No.
No.
It's good for our stomach, but I don't think so for your stomach.
Everything is.
Okay, some bamboo chip. You know how they make it? They had a thin slice of bamboo soup, and they put the salt and they had deep fry. You know the green color from the cafe lamb leaf. Cafe lamb, really good smell. Okay, when the Lao people we drink beer, we eat a lot of this one. You know, Lao people we are small, but we eat a lot. And they always serve with a chili paste. This chili paste, they put up sugar and kalanka powder. They stir fry together and then they keep in the jars. They keep in the jar about 4 or 5 months. So you know, more longer. More. I tell you by the color. The color is quite white and big grain. Then we cook them and become clear. This one is steamed rice. This one is sticky rice and steamed rice. The steamed rice you can tell you by the color.
It's going to be really nice. Not just practice here.
Okay, yeah.
And the water as well?
Yeah.
Okay. That's easier.
Okay now. Yeah.
And all the rice as well?
Yeah. Everything. Yeah. And you can clean the bowl with your hand.
Yeah.
You can clean the bowl with your hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, clean the bowl with your hand. Okay. Put it there, yeah. Okay. Okay, we don't cover the white one. You know, if you cover the white one, the stick are too soft.
Oh.
The stick will stick to your finger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You put in, you put in.
Done, all of them?
So you how to get this, you cut the root off like this. You look at me first, yeah? You look at me first. you squeeze.
Oh.
Another skin put it in salad, you cut them smaller. Okay? And cutting the same, you know what I mean first. Cutting the same. Cutting the same to cut the root off. You know, cutting they are made cold, right? You try to squeeze. You eat. Be careful, yeah, be careful your eye, be careful. Sometimes chili fly up to your eye, be careful.
불맛이 장난 아닌데?
You cut smaller and put into the motor. Easy to pound. And one big and rub it chop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and put into the motor. Yeah, put it to the motor. Not on the table, yeah? A little bit. 2 steps. Don't chop it. Because we have to pound. And or you can use your finger like this. You can do like this. Same flavor.
아,
Lao style.
But if you cut your finger, not same flavor, yeah? Okay. And then taste more. 1, 2. Put it to the motor. And 1 red chili. If you like spicy, you can take 2 or 3, 4, 5. If you don't like, you can put half. Even more less spicy, half again. You want more or less? Okay. Maybe no chili, okay? Take the lip outside, 1, 2, to top, right? And a thin slice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5 thin slice. Lemongrass had it off flavor. You can put more, but too woody. You put a little bit for good flavor. You know, at home you have sticky powder. You can use cornstarch or corn flour for thickening because you eat with the sticky rice. Dip.
길 하나 가져가. 아, 이거
No.
instead 1, 2.
Already.
Sorry.
Okay.
커터?
Cut. Yeah. Sorry. And lemongrass.
니가 이런 말 하지 마. 알아듣니?
Pinch of salt.
그냥 어차피 과정은 다 안 해도 되고.
Not great. It's quite calm. Now stir with a spoon. No, 1, 2, 3. 3 dedicated 4 with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And take 2 and hold together. Yeah, like this. And you hold on the top like that, and you put the bottom in the middle up, and make like a fish tail, right? And you put one side here, and make like a side by side, right? One side here and one side there, right? Now here the one end is open. This time we can put everything inside. Until bouncing nose, right? And then you tap under. Now we have the packet. Yeah, one side there, right? And one side here. Right? Now everything inside. Yeah, now everything inside. Grass roots. Lemongrass root. Right, yeah, lemongrass. Maybe in your packet, yeah? Okay? We will marinate. Marinate chicken in the herb about few minutes. And smash. Easy, take the skin out, right? See? Look. And then chop it. And you put whole like this. Okay? Okay? Rub it chop. You see? Live always use the knife like this. The live when we are 4 or 5 years old, spring onion, and small bench coriander, and 1 cafe lamb leaf. Okay? pinch of salt, yeah, pinch of salt. One, two, okay, pound. Stir, okay, stop, good.
이렇게.
Okay, stop, good. Okay, Rika. Okay. Now you want go to be doctor. You can start more chicken inside, yeah? In the middle, and stop the same place. Now you make smaller. True when you cut, not true, just in the middle, right? Not true, just in the middle. Next swimming, yeah? You cut like a snake swimming, lemon grass with your brain. Now we like a basket, right? Okay, ready? And make that soft. The inside lemon grass, the white one, you can eat inside. You know, outside we can chew it. Very good flavor. Yeah, good. Let's see. Inside.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now eat. And chili powder.
오.
If you like spicy, if you don't like, you can decide by yourself. Okay, you can put a little bit, maybe a little bit. Okay. And 1 teaspoon of the soybean oil. 1 teaspoon of the fish sauce. The Lao food we always put the fish sauce.
Yep.
Except ice cream.
Really?
1 teaspoon, okay. When I put a bar, I don't put the lamb because the bar is bitter, right?
Yeah.
When put the lamb, we don't put the bar. When put the bar, we put. But today you can put both because you want to try your flavor more. I eat raw. My flavor, lamb. Lamb is my flavor. My favorite. 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 Sorry. Okay, good. You had a kalaka at home?
No.
What's that?
Try these.
Okay, you can. Okay, we'll actually let you know all the food on the table first. This is rambutan. Yeah, inside like a lychee, right? You're brown. And now we take the 2 spoon coconut. Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
1, 2.
Yeah, you say it's tough. Never seen it in the market.
Okay. Okay, good.
그래서?
With hot water, yeah?
Hot water.
Okay.
Hot.
Again, about 6 or 7 times like this.
Okay.
6 or
And
7
then
times
drain
and take the pot off.
Strain it.
No.
No, 6 off, yeah? You get the milk already, you come back, I will give you 1 spoon sugar.
Okay.
And then with a pinch of salt.
Can I see how much you're getting?
More. Okay.
I love coconut.
I would.
In the water because there's rock. Either way, yeah. You just want. Thank you.
Do you allow eat a lot of fruit? Or not? No, really?
Yeah.
Because all over town there's like papaya tree.
Do you know what they call it? No. What? Think it called